Why Janus? Part 2. Janus Motorcycles is, in some respects, a small business out of necessity. While we're growing and growing, we're not married to the idea of unending growth. Part of what makes us excited to do what we do each day is that each member of our small team has their hands on our motorcycles and a connection with our customers. When you become a Janus owner, you get a different experience than you do from any other manufacturer. Have a question about your build? Mitch or Hannah will answer, and they'll help you choose colors and options for your new Janus. You get to design and follow along with the building of your bike throughout the manufacturing process. Ryan, Kyle, Jonah, or Jared assemble your whole bike, while Kelly pinstripes your tank and fenders. We have a personal relationship with our local partners who produce components for our forks, frames, tanks, exhausts, and many other parts. Want to know what your Janus will look like before you order it? See for yourself on our online configurator, where you can customize any of our models by changing colors and adding various options. We love that aspect of our size. These motorcycles come off the line one at a time, with each of our small team's effort and love baked into each one-of-a-kind bike. You won't see any fingerprints on your tank when it's delivered, but ours are all over your motorcycle. Beyond manufacturing, we sell directly to our riders because we like getting to know our owners and learning how to make our bikes even better, little by little, year after year. And that means that you, our rider, are part of a unique, small company producing a limited number of one-of-a-kind, unique machines. By the time you've received your motorcycle, you've likely met or interacted with half of us here. We're humans on the other end and are here to help create a great riding experience. We're passionate about making our Janus riders insanely happy. We're not always perfect, but we are persistent. Just like our small, one-of-a-kind motorcycles, our small, one-of-a-kind company isn't for everyone. But if our type of thing is your type of thing, we offer our persistence, our craftsmanship, and our promise to continue working at making something beautiful and lasting. And we invite you along for the ride.